everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting electric SUVs to hit the market, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 5N. This isn't just any EV, it's a high-performance beast that's redefining what an electric SUV can do. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the exterior. The Ioniq 5N takes the already futuristic design of the standard Ioniq 5 and cranks it up to 11. You've got this sporty front fascia with larger air intakes. Not just for show, they help cool the high-performance electric motors. And check out these 21-inch wheels. They're not just stylish, they're designed to handle the insane power this thing puts out. At the back, you've got this sleek rear spoiler and bold LED taillights that scream performance. It's clear Hyundai wanted this car to look as fast as it actually is. Now, let's talk about what makes this car truly special: the performance. The Ioniq 5N is powered by not one, but two electric motors, delivering a jaw-dropping 641 horsepower and 546 pound-feet of torque. That's right, 641 horses in an SUV. This thing can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Let me say that again, 3.4 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks. And if that's not enough, there's the N Grin Boost mode. Hit that button, and you get an extra burst of power for a few seconds. It's like a nitro boost in a video game, but this is real life. But wait, there's more. Hyundai didn't just make this car fast in a straight line. They made it fun to drive. With N Drift mode, you can easily kick the rear end out and slide around corners like a pro. And for those of you who miss the roar of a gas engine, the N Active Sound Plus system creates artificial engine sounds that make you feel like you're driving a high-performance ICE car. It's a weird but cool feature that adds to the experience. Inside, the Ioniq 5N is just as impressive. You've got these sport seats that hug you in place during aggressive driving, and this performance steering wheel feels perfect in your hands. Everything here is designed to make you feel connected to the car and the road. And of course, you've got all the latest tech, from the intuitive infotainment system to advanced driver assistance features. It's a high-tech cockpit for a high-performance machine. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The Ioniq 5N is more expensive than the standard Ioniq 5, and its driving range is a bit shorter due to all that performance. But let's be honest, if you're buying this car, you're not just looking for an EV, you're looking for an experience. And the Ioniq 5N delivers that in spades. So, is the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 5N worth it? If you're after a high-performance electric SUV that's packed with unique features and delivers an adrenaline-pumping drive, then absolutely. This is a car that proves EVs can be just as exciting, if not more, than their gas-powered counterparts. Alright, I'm off to take this beauty for another spin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments, would you take the Ioniq 5N for a spin? See you next time!